Okay, so while we wait for this metal to cut, our helper's back with the 2x4s to set for the concrete. So let's take a walk back out to the pen and get those laid out. Come on. I don't know if you can see or not, we've got our string lines laid out. So now we'll lay the 2x in place, get them staked in, and this side will be ready for concrete. Okay, so what we were doing was digging the dirt down to where when we set our 2x4 form, it's about the top of the board is at the height of the string. And if we do it all the way down, it'll be pretty level all the way through. And here, looks like it's close enough for what we're doing, so we can go ahead and pound the stake in. Then we'll take and run a screw through the stake into the 2x4, and that'll hold it steady and it won't go anywhere. Check it and see how level it is. Perfectly level right there. Okay, now to the next board. Well, good morning everybody. Welcome back to LuckyHRanch. Yesterday, we got a little carried away and forgot to even bring you guys along with us. And we got a little bit of the concrete poured. We just went and rented one of those small yard or yard and a quarter trailers that they put it into, and you bring it and dump it out yourself. But we decided we're gonna wait and order a truck because it's just way too expensive doing it in that little small mixer. So let me get you turned around here and we'll show you what took place yesterday, and then we'll get started doing some other stuff today. Okay, well, as you can see, for the 2 pins that are 8 foot by 20 foot here on the left side, what little bit of concrete we are pouring in those pins is all done. So we're actually ready to go ahead and start doing all the welding, putting all the fencing together in it. And then probably tomorrow we're gonna get a truck in here and we'll get the rest of this poured, which will be the 3 foot here on our left again here for those pins. And then this is a 6 foot alleyway in the middle, and we'll get all of it poured. Well, before we get started on all of our metal work, Petunia wanted to come over and say good morning to everybody. Girl. Okay, now you can see what we did. The little yard or yard and a half trailers of cement and stuff has gone up so much in price that it was over $300 for a yard of concrete. So I decided to find a few guys to help and just order in a truck. So they're going to come in this morning and we're going to get this all poured. So give us a little bit, let this fog clear up a little bit, and we'll get started and we'll show you all what's going on. So the concrete's here. The guys have gotten started. Won't be long and it'll all be down. Yeah, we're getting there. About a third of the way through. Well, they're a little over halfway done. Won't be much longer. Looks really good. Okay, we're down to the last little bit here. That's all they got left to do is this 10 by 10 area or so right here. And it'll all be down. Okay, well, it's all poured. Now we'll just smooth it out a little bit and put a broom finish on it. It'll turn out about like this did over here. Then let it sit for about 3 or 4 days. Okay, well, all the cement's poured and all the guys have gone home. So that's how it turned out. We even got to put a Lucky H into the concrete. Not the best looking Lucky H, but it'll work. Petunia over here says that it turned out all right. So now we'll let the cement dry and we'll get back to all of our welding and get these pins finished up. So once it's dry and we get started, we'll bring you back in.